Hello! I am Durian, the king of fruits. I have a very strong personality. I am incredibly rich in energy, vitamins, and minerals that make you feel like a king.
Don't let my spikes scare you. My heart is pure gold. Try me if you're brave.
Hi there, I'm Rambutan. My name actually means hairy in my hometown. I help your body fight off infections and keep your skin looking fresh and healthy.
I'm a little bundle of exotic joy. Peel me and enjoy the sweetness.
Hello, I am Longan. People call me Dragon's Eye because of my beautiful seed. I'm great for relaxation and helping you get a peaceful night's sleep. I'm small, sweet, and good for the soul. Sweet dreams, everyone.